All right, so this is going to be for, today's a white day for Tuesday the 11th, and this will also be for Wednesday for a red day, the 12th. We ended up staying in our reading and writing classes. We did not do class 1, class 2. So if you had reading today on a white day, you're going to do this. Or red, that was weird. White day on Tuesday or red day on Wednesday, you're going to do this. So what we ended up doing, I'm just going to kind of show you and go over what I did in class. So in your notebooks, I know you don't have yours, but in your notebooks, what we ended up doing is we took these summarizing notes on page 22. I do not have these uploaded into Schoology yet, but I will put that in there soon. Probably, I have a meeting I have to go to, so probably not right at 2 o'clock, but after school gets out. So just to show you where that will be, it's just not there yet. But you could always just pause my screen where it's at so you can see that as well. But I'll put it in the notes section here. So you'll see some summarizing notes here soon. It's just not there. But if you needed it, you could also just come back to this screen and pause the video here so you can see what you have to do for summarizing. Okay, so we ended up taking these summarizing notes here on page 22, and then we did the creatures article, and underneath that we did the central idea, and then we went ahead and did the how the author communicated this, and then also why it's important. So then this creates that whole summary. So we took the information off of summarizing nonfiction, and we did that summary, the whole summary on this right here from page 23. Okay, so again, I'll probably have this in Schoology at some point, but just to let you know, that's where that is. So again, if you need to see my example, you can come back to this part in the video and pause so you can see that. Okay, so what you're going to end up doing today is this is the article that we read last time. It says, should robots look like people? You've already read this, but if you need a copy of it, you're going to go to the mentor text folder here, and you can click on this link and it will pop up. What you're going to do today is you're going to do, you're essentially going to write a summary for this. So you're going to write the central idea, which a lot of you've already done in your notebooks already. Again, I know you don't have your notebooks, but the central idea you guys have been doing for a long time, so you should be able to do that fairly quickly. So the central idea, the second sentence will be the how the author communicated this, and then the third sentence is going to be why it's important. Okay, so if you need to look back at this article, you can find it here and you can kind of get that information. But then in order for you to write that summary, what you're going to do is you're going to go into the Assigned to Me folder, which is right here. You're going to click on the Only If Told summary for 11.4.12. You'll click on that. Once you get into that and you go to your copy of it, it will look very similar to this. You'll put your name, you'll put your reading writing block, and then right here, you're going to do the summary of should robots look like people. Okay, so again, you can use the old notebook, new notebook. These pages right here, I will get into Schoology soon. They're just not in there yet. But this one right here, page 26, is in there, so you could also look at that to kind of help you. Okay, but this is where your summary will go. The summary should look very similar to what we did with the creatures article. So again, that looks like this. So this is the one that we did together as a class. We have the first sentence is central idea. The second sentence is how the author communicated it. And then the third sentence is why is it important? Okay, so again, if you need to pause the screen on this one, so you have something to go off of and can kind of help you with your summary for the robot one, you can do that. Okay, when you get done with this, I want you to make sure that you email me so that you got it done. And then when you get back to school, we will print it and we can put it in your notebook. It'll go in your new notebook on page 24. So we'll go from there. Okay, so you're just writing that summary for the robots piece, and you're doing that by going to this document here. It's the assignment that's in there, and all you're doing is you're typing your summary here. It should be 3 sentences, starting with the central idea. This right here, do not complete this. I'm not telling you to, so don't just ignore this bottom part. Okay, so you're just doing this. All right, that's all I have. Thanks.